back alley behind a theater. How's that? With the stage door. Oh, now that looks nice. Hey, that is pretty cool. I want to try the thing with the sign. Like, if this was for rent. Let me see if I can put a for rent sign on here. Add a for rent sign. Almost, it doesn't quite read for rent, but it certainly did get the perspective quite right here. I didn't mean for that to be a question. It was a statement. Yes. Okay. I'll write my own for rent sign then. With an arrow pointing at the building. The suspense. Yeah, almost. You know, for rent. Okay, good. It's friend. Yes, that's a good amalgamation of for and rent. I think maybe this is fine. I think perhaps I'm gonna go and put a no pedestrian sign here. Two poodles walking into the distance. Yeah, almost. I mean, they're cute, aren't they? They're not walking off into the distance and don't look too closely at their faces and all. Ooh, now that is nice. I'll give this a thumbs up. I think that worked really well. Hey, that isn't bad. I'm thinking that maybe this lamppost here, that should perhaps go, because I think it's just ruining it for me, man. I'll make a copy and just use my remove tool. I don't know if I need to rasterize that. Rasterize, there we go. Ding. Also, this whole black box here, we don't want to see it. I mean, apart from small shadows here and there. So yeah, I'm okay with that. That's fine. A little bit of sky, I'm thinking we could probably do with here. Can we just fill this in with sky? Can you make a selection here? Yeah, there we go. That's nice. And add this perhaps on a new layer. Add a blue sky with wispy white clouds. There we go. Very nice. That's not bad. And if it's a bit too much, I can always go and just blend it in, make it lighter, make it darker. Sweetness. Let me go put the clipping layer on here, make it a bit darker, a bit like, you know, it blends in a little bit. Also, if I wanted to add a bit of a vibrance layer, also make a clipping, crank up the vibrance, tiny bit of saturation, don't go overboard, but vibrance is kind of nice. Oh, we can't generatively fill. Maybe it's because we don't have a layer. Yes, there we go. So we do need a layer. Viennese table with 2 chairs and a sun umbrella. Oh, wow. And it got the perspective kind of right. This is kind of what I was hoping it would come up with as well. Oh my god, really? I did like this, if only it didn't have the umbrella in there. But the chairs, my god. Let me try this again. The lasso tool is good. I mean, this whole area here, you know, cafe chairs and tables. That would be good. It's not bad. It's not bad, I gotta say. A bit large. And that kind of indoor table, that's not bad. That is not bad. Maybe we'll try something else. We'll try the statue, huh? I wonder if it even recognizes if I do this and I select the outsides of the picture, if it knows I mean bleed it out somehow. A cast iron statue of Winston Churchill. Clearly we're in London, so... Oh my god, it's not Winston Churchill, but it certainly is a cast iron statue, isn't it? To fill in that void.